Hello there, this is just a brief video to introduce myself, Mr. Hyndman, and to tell you a little bit about what will be going on in P6 this year. So you can see the classroom that your children will be learning in. Nice big room. And I'm just going to take you through some different aspects of P6 which you might find interesting to know at the start of the year. So the P6 teachers this year are Mr. Francis, Mr. Sterling and myself. Just a few key reminders then. You'll find our P6 website very important and useful throughout the year. On it you'll find your child's homework timetable, which will explain what they're doing each night. Just to clarify that for you, and as well as that you'll find their maths fact book, their literacy fact book, their spelling list, and various other resources which we'll be using throughout the year in class as well as at home. That can be accessed via the QR code which you can see here. It's been emailed out to you and your child should have a note with it on it too, so hopefully you have access to that. If you don't, let me know at any stage and I can get you that code. In P6 we often use Google Classroom, both in class, in our ICT, in the classroom as well, and at home sometimes for homework too. We'll do various literacy activities through that world around us, maths even sometimes. That's the format we use for our ICT for the children producing work. They will be familiar with how to access that at home, but if not, on your homework timetable you'll find a link and explanations as to how to use that at the top of the page. Same with Collins Connect, which they'll be using for homework sometimes as well. Our world around us topics in P6, we'll be studying classification of animals. We'll hopefully get to the zoo at some stage during this term as part of that topic. We study Northern Ireland and in our local history aspect of that we go to Lisburn Linen Centre. We look at Vikings as well, and we usually have a Viking day of some sort, and then a visit to Titanic Belfast for our Titanic topic in the third term, which is always very popular. Just a few dates for your diary then at the start of the year. PE will be on Fridays, so the children wear their PE kit on Fridays. Throughout the year we might have blocks of coaching in other sports as well, but we'll let you know when that's coming up. Our swimming lessons in P6 Hyndman have started already, so for the next few weeks we will be doing swimming lessons on a Monday, and again they can wear their PE kit that day. It's useful to be swim ready in the mornings, and then they get changed after obviously, but PE kits to school on swimming days. So the part now that every parent loves, a typical night's homework in P6. Spellings to learn. Your child will have a certain amount of spellings to learn each night, and a tables activity to do as well. It could be to do with number, shape, space, measure, or any of the facts that you will find within their maths fact book, which they should have in their homework folder, or again is accessible through our website. It may be a learning homework as well. Reading, again we recommend a minimum of 20 minutes in P6, ideally on their accelerated reader book, but if they want to read more than that, there are some children who just love to read, so minimum 20 minutes for reading is our recommendation. And then a written homework, a relatively brief maths or literacy activity each night, Monday to Thursday. Please don't spend any more than 20 to 30 minutes on written homework. If your child's getting really frustrated or it's taking them a long time or there are other family commitments, please don't worry about that. Just send us a brief note about it, and that helps us as well to gauge how they're doing at home with that. And altogether really don't be spending more than an hour on any occasion on homework altogether, because they've worked hard in school all day, and homework really is a snapshot for you to see how they're doing and just to back up what they've been learning in class. So thank you for watching. I've really enjoyed getting to know your children at the start of this P6 year, and I'm sure we're going to have a great year together. If you have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me here at school. Thank you.